Alright, now we're going to talk about how to make your slices for your bell pepper. Now that we have our top and our seeds removed, you can take the pepper, turn it on its top end, and just make small cuts all the way down on the sides. And we're aiming to make like almost a scoop with each slice. Now this method produces approximately about 6 to 8 slices. Alright, now that you got them out and basically making a bloomin' onion kind of.
I just said the whole thing again.
Yeah.
The bloomin' onion thing.
Now that you got your slices made, you can just start breaking them apart. Now you have perfect little bell pepper scoops.